It's the summer. It's all about the ocean, those wonderful sunsets, and amazing views. I'm here in Huntington Beach in the private Portofino Cove community. We are in a penthouse unit today that has all those great views and so much more. Let's go take a look. Your new home in Portofino Cove is right on the water here in Huntington Harbor. So you've got these fabulous water views and amazing sunset views all the way down to Palos Verde Peninsula. Here you have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, well finished and updated throughout, super tall ceilings to make your living space feel open and spacious. There's even a cozy fireplace. Best of all, your new home comes with a fabulous boat slip. Let's go take a look at that right now. All right, once you're done soaking in the sun at the private HOA pool and spa, come out to your boat because your new home comes with a 45-foot deep water boat slip located on the main channel with an end location, making it super easy to get in and out. You simply must see this home. Call me today or visit the website 16291countessdrive.com. I'm Michelle Wilson with First Team Real Estate. I'll see you next time.